The metric system is used by the meter, the gram, and the liter. So the meter, the gram, and the liter use the same scale in the metric system. These arrows mean the number of places the decimal is moving to go from one unit to the other. If you want to go from meters to decameters, you move the decimal to the left once. If you want to go from meters to kilometers, you move the decimal 3 times in this direction. So this diagram tells us in which direction and how much, depending where you are and where you want to go. If you want to go from meters to centimeters, then you would move the decimal to the right twice. So the very first step is to identify where the decimal is. If they don't give you a decimal, assume the decimal is at the far right. So let's convert 2 meters to centimeters. So where you are, we're at the meters, 2 meters. Where do you want to go? To the centimeters, where you are going to. So we go from meters to centimeters, so we're going from here to here. So identify the decimal. The decimal's right here. If they didn't show it, it's at the far right. And we're going to move it twice in that direction. So now we know that 2 meters is the same thing as 200 centimeters. So find out where you are, what did they give you, and where you want to go your scale, determine the direction and the number of times you have to move the decimal. In this problem, they give us a list of measurements. Here they are, and they want us to put them in order. They want us to put them in decreasing order. So the biggest goes first and then the next biggest and so forth. In this problem, first convert all of these numbers to the same type of unit, which means translate them, convert them to all centimeters or all millimeters or all meters. It doesn't matter. We're going to go ahead and convert them all to meters. So I'm going to take each one of the numbers in the list and convert them to meters. Now that they're all meters, it's easy to tell who's the biggest, who's the next biggest, and so forth. And here are their positions. This would be the first one, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. In that order, we would say it's decreasing. It's decreasing order. So here they are. This is the order they should be in. This is the biggest, and then the next biggest, and down to the smallest amount.